This was 1 year ago. As soon as the ball dropped, I told myself I would spend the next 12 months finding my fire. No, not that fire. This fire. So what exactly do I mean? Fire is that perpetual desire to venture out and do what makes you happy. How did I start this journey? I got some friends together and we just dove right in.
Heads up.
The real deep down you is the whole universe.
I ventured down to New Orleans for a bachelor party. Bourbon Street was fucking crazy. The live music was amazing, and so were the po' boys. Oh, and yeah, we had grenades too. This year, I spent a lot of time exploring Chicago. After 16 hours, 4 flights, and 3 delays, I finally made it to St. Augustine, Florida. It was so special because I got to see my friend and fraternity brother, Cody, get married in a church that was built in the 1700s. And yeah, we saved some time for the beach. They say you can never have too much of a good thing. I found that out firsthand when I went to Indianapolis for the Winterfest Beer Festival. I spent most of my summer up at the lake. I went to southern Indiana to be in my cousin's wedding. It made me so happy to see them finally tie the knot. How are you feeling?
We're all right.
I went to Key West, Florida for a much-needed vacation. Even when I wasn't traveling, I still did a lot this year. I got my own place. I started a business doing something that I'm passionate about. But most importantly, I spent time with friends and family. I found my fire this year. Are you ready to find yours?
But if you close your eyes